Hi there, I am Tanya and you're watching our YouTube channel Learn with Ears. Here you are learning English from zero level. Let's begin our next basic and easy lesson from the same series. That is building small words with sounds. This video will help you to build small words, and building small words will help you to read, write and speak English. But before watching this video, it's fantastic idea to watch our previous lessons from the same series. Those lessons will help you to understand this lesson fast. You can find the link in description box. Now let's get started. Today we will learn how to make basic words. In this, we will use one vowel and one consonant. Remember two things. Use the short vowel and consonant sounds you learned in previous lesson. Okay? Please don't use the names of the letters. Use the sounds of the letters. Okay? Let's start with sound. Short vowel A first. A, N, A, N, an, an, A, N, T, A, N, T, ant, ant, F, A, N, F, A, N, fan, fan, M, A, N, M, A, N, man, man, P, A, N, P, A, N, pan, pan, B, A, T, B, A, T, bat. It's a bat. K, A, T, K, A, T, cat. It's a cat. H, A, T, H, A, T, hat. It's a hat. Let's try some words. J, A, M, J, A, M, jam, jam, K, A, N, K, A, N, can, can, N, A, P, N, A, P, nap, L, A, P, L, A, P, lap, lap, M, A, D, M, A, D, mad, mad, S, A, D, S, A, D, sad, sad, K, A, P, K, A, P, cap, cap, T, A, P, T, A, P, tap, tap, M, A, P, M, A, P, map, map, H, A, S, H, A, S, has, has, R, A, T, R, A, T, rat, rat, M, A, N, M, A, N, man, man. Now next is short vowel E. The sound of short vowel E is eh, eh. Eh, n, eh, n, n, n. P, eh, n, p, eh, n. Pen, pen. B, e, d, b, e, d. Bed, bed. It's a bed. R, e, d, r, e, d. Red. It's a red color. Red. N, e, t, n, e, t. Net. It's a net. D, e, n, d, e, n. Den, den. H, e, n, h, e, n. Hen, hen. T, e, n, t, e, n. Ten. It's number 10. Let's try some words. M, e, n, m, e, n. Men. L, e, g, l, e, g. Leg. S, e, t, s, e, t. Set. E, n, d, e, n, d. End. B, e, d, b, e, d. Bed, bed. L, e, t, l, e, t. Let, let. V, e, t, v, e, t. Vet, wet. D, e, t, d, e, t. Jet, jet. M, e, t, m, e, t. Met, met. Y, e, s, y, e, s. Yes, yes. P, e, t, p, e, t. Pet, pet. T, e, d, t, e, d. Ted, Ted. Now let's learn short vowel I. And the sound of short vowel I is I, I. I, n, I, n, in, in. P, I, n, p, I, n. Pin, pin. L, I, p, l, I, p. Lip, lip. K, I, d, k, I, d. Kid, kid. S, I, s, s, I, x. Six. Number 6. V, I, g, v, I, g. Wig, wig. L, I, d, l, I, d. Lid, it's a lid. B, I, n, b, I, n. Bin, it's a bin. Now let's learn short vowel O. And the sound of short vowel O is ah, ah. Ox, 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 ox. B, ox, b, ox. Box, box. P, ot, p, ot. Pot, it's a pot. D, g, d, g. Dog, dog. K, up, k, up. Cup, cup. H, ot, h, ot. Hot, hot. It's a summer season. It's very hot. M, up, m, up. Mop, mop. L, g, l, g. Log, it's a log. Now next is short vowel U sound. And the sound of short vowel U is a, a. N, n, un, un. S, n, s, n. Sun, sun. B, d, b, d. Bud, bud. K, up, k, up. Cup, it's a cup. R, g, r, g. Rug, it's a rug. H, t, h, t. Hut, it's a hut. T, b, t, b. Tub, it's a tub. P, g, p, g. Pug, it's a pug. Let's review it. A, N, A. Short vowel sound A, N. Ant, ant, ant. E, e. This is A and this is E, e. N, 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 n. An, n, an, n. End, end, ant, end. The end, the end. I, 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 n, I, n. Ink, ink, ink. Ah, ah. Ox, 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 ox. Box, box. It's a box. Un, sun, sun, sun. Okay? This is the first step of reading, right? Let's start it. Man, has a cat. A man has a cat. A man has a cat. A man has a cat. Cat is on the mat. Cat is on the mat. Cat is on the mat. The rug, rug is wet. The rug is wet. The rug is wet. The cup has cup has a gun. The cup has a gun. The cup has a gun. The pot is hot. The pot is hot. The pot is hot. I hug hug a dog. I hug a dog. I hug a dog. A big box is in the bag. A big box is in the bag. A big box is in the bag. Now let's see some more sentences. A cup is in the mug. A cup is in the mug. A dog is in the hut with the cat. A dog is in the hut with the cat. Sit on the mat, but not on my hat. Sit on the mat, but not on my hat. Box is big and pen is small. Small. The cup is on the mat. The cup is on the mat. The rat runs in the tub. The rat runs in the tub. Thank you.